Hi, you're welcome to this video on how to manage links on the SchoolTry portal. What is the usefulness of the links? Now, the links are actually one of the master control and administrator apps on the school's digital interface. Take for example, there are other sub-handles that has been created for every school. For example, we have the parent login, the student login, the sub-admin login, the teacher's login, and the student's login as well, if we've mentioned that initially. So this is where you get to control or activate these links. You could activate or deactivate any link at any given time. So here is the video for you to actually know how you can manage all of these links. Here we go. You come to your dashboard as usual, and when you get to your dashboard, you met with a screen that looks just like this one, and then you come to manage content. When you click on manage content, you can see that the third option here says manage links. Click on manage link, and when you click on manage links, you will met with a screen that looks like this. Now these are the links. These are the links here, and this is where it gets very interesting. Take for example, we have administrative login, we have the teacher's login, we have the parents login. Now if we disable a teacher's login, all the teachers will not have access to the teacher's page of the school. But this is created specifically because it gives the administrator access to a lot of things directly from the end of the administrator. So you can control every link from this box. Let us show you something now. When you click on the option tab, you have edits, and when you click on edit, let us see what comes up underneath the edit. Now this is the link for teacher's login. It has been automatically generated. It is recommended that it is being left this exact way. You click on save, you leave it the same way. You don't even have to edit the teacher's link. It should just be exactly like this. So you might want to add a link. So you can add a link, for example, by clicking add link at the top right corner here. You input the link title, and then you input the URL of the link. Now this is why it is recommended that you should not add a link manually. First, 100% of the links integrated into SchoolTry has been created for purposes that is organically generated for SchoolTry and by SchoolTry. Adding an external link into this box might alter or might not really give you the results, whatever results you desire as of the time you added this link, because any link that is created when you add a parent to the school, you add a teacher to the school, or you add a student, there is an email that is generated for such recipients, and it gives them the link. But when you add this link and this link is not attached to any rule or to any activity on SchoolTry, it simply means that the link is going to be dormant. So it is highly recommended that you can only enable or disable a link, but adding a link might not be recommended for any school. If you want to add a link for any reason, it's better you contact the SchoolTry's customer support team, and you'll be put through and you'll be fully helped if it is really a thing you need to do. So specifically, this video is made to enlighten you better on the things you might want to do and the things you might not want to do, because they're not really necessary. And that is how this video will be wrapped up today. Ensure that you click on the subscribe button, the notification icon, and also like this video. Thank you.